focused on.
Yes, so celebrity is an issue. Just being a celebrity is a problem. And Akode has come out to say that, she regrets the day that she became famous. And this is because she's noticed that, whenever she goes out, she can never have a private moment. Someone will pass her. She narrated this on social media, saying that, people will pass you thinking that they won't say hi to you, and then they'll go hide in a corner and start recording videos of you and your family and your private moments and share those on social media. And she's caught a few people doing this, and she was just saying it's not right. And we've also had many cases of celebrities just coming out and talking about, the issues with fame and how that has impacted their lives. So for Akode, she's talking about, the privacy issue. She has no private life. There are no private moments for her, but I think that just comes with being a public figure. And there's also now the bigger conversation where this can really take a toll on your mental health and moments like that. So it's just, you're in the public limelight, yet you want privacy. It's a bit of a sensitive issue. It's a touchy issue. We really don't know where to draw the line. And so that has come out. The guys who've come out in support of that, but the guys who are like, you're a public figure, this comes with it, take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting. So apart